What's up guys, welcome back to AB Auto. Today we are having some fun. I've got my good friend James here, who is a professional photographer and videoer, and we've got his drone, which is over there, and basically we found this amazing spot here to park the C43, and we're going to be recording some really cool shots. As you guys probably know, I'm usually a one-man band and I just set my camera up on a tripod and I record my clips myself, but today having someone to record extra footage for me is awesome. I want to keep the quality going higher and higher on the channel as we grow, so be able to have someone film the exterior of the car when I'm driving it. We're going to be able to get outside shots of the AMG Performance exhaust popping and banging. It's going to be brilliant. There's going to be loads of cool videos coming soon, guys, so I'm really excited about that.